your bell ringer today is it's attached to the sheet that I gave you. That is both your bell ringer and your exit slip. This is the accumulation of what we've done over the course of the year. The beginning of the year we started with where are we now? We looked at current events in the U.S. History, and we said we'd figure out throughout the year how we got to that point. Today we're going back to look at 4 of the major things we talked about in the Where Are We Now unit, but you have a greater understanding of how we've gotten there because of what we've covered over the course of the year. So hang on to the sheet of paper you have right now. You're going to need that at the end of the day. That is your exit slip as well, and it's got the exit slip assignment on there. It's similar to your bell ringer. So what I'm asking you to do for your bell ringer, go ahead and work on that right now. About 2 or 3 minutes. In your opinion, this is just opinion based, what is the most pressing issue facing the United States right now? What is the most pressing issue facing the United States right now? And like any good opinion or argument, you need to back it up with some sort of explanation. Yeah, you can look at your cards. They're not secret. Unless for some reason you still don't trust the people at your table.
We did know each other.
This is not the Red Scare activity. You don't have to worry about anybody being communist. Except for maybe Dylan. Dylan, weren't you always a communist? Tavian, what's the most pressing issue facing the United States right now? Why?
I'm going to say environmental protection, just not even the United States, just Earth in general, because we do not have another planet to go to, and we're killing this one, so what are we going to do?
Okay, there is no planet B.
Right, not yet.
Okay. Anybody else put climate change, global warming, anybody else put that as the most pressing issue? Said what? Drugs? Okay, why? That's exactly right. And especially in northern Kentucky and Cincinnati area, we've seen that it's become like a really big problem lately. Anybody put drug use or crime? CC, what'd you put? Immigration? Why is that? Why do you feel like that's the most pressing issue?
Because some people don't know if they're helping our economy or making it bad.
Okay, so the debate over immigration. Tyler, what about you? I'm sorry? War efforts? Specifically anywhere? Okay, why'd you put that? Innocent people get hurt in the process. Okay, guys, you all named several of the things that we're going to talk about today. Today you are going to spend approximately 30 minutes going between 4 different stations. Okay, I've given you playing cards, and in a suit of cards or a deck of cards, there are 4 different suits. Okay, your suit will determine your starting point for the activity. Okay, your suit will determine the starting point for the activity. If you have a spade, which is that one, just in case. We don't have, not everybody plays cards. If you have a spade, you are here. You are starting with modern United States terrorism efforts. Spades are starting here. Okay? Yeah. See? Okay? If you have a heart, you are starting right here. Now I know that's not Cowardly Lion. We're talking about if you have a card that has a heart on it, you are starting here. Systemic racism in modern America. If you have a club, you are starting here, which is climate change and global warming. If you have, what's left? Space? Diamond. If you have a diamond, you are starting here with immigration. Now, before you go, there are 4 different ways in which you're going to interact with some material today. Videos. You can pause and play as much as you need. Okay, if you have headphones, plug them in. Okay, if you want to just watch one video with the person next to you, plug them in, but they're all preloaded on the iPads. All you have to do is open them up and hit the play button. Okay? Here, you are reading independently first, and then answering questions with the people at your table at level 1. Here, same thing. You're taking a look at the Upfront magazine article, and then there's a quiz, and then a graph on the other side. Work together, level 1. Here, this one might be the most challenging. You can start at level 1 from the very beginning. You're looking at political cartoons, and I'm asking you to analyze 5 different political cartoons that take different stances on immigration. Okay? Any questions?
No.
Okay, who's coming to this table? You got a what? Spade. Who's coming to this table? Okay, that table? That table? Okay. Before we begin, any questions? Last chance.
No.
Okay, there's a document at each table that you need to collect and turn at the end. Go. These should be on my club people, clubbers, all my people with cards. And I'll come around and I'll collect your cards. Thank you. Here's take your seat. Friend, thank you. Richard Gears, thank you. And now I've only got 5, so. And you guys, there's 5 different cartoons, so obviously not everyone's going to have their own. Okay, but work with the people at your table. And notice that they're numbered, and they're numbered on the left side, so the questions correspond. Yeah, there's 5 papers. All right. Yeah, actually, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, so work with the person else. That's what I said at the beginning. Just want to make sure you're sharing that. I know the table's going to split people up and it makes it hard to work together, but. What do they mean by the term a pathway to citizenship? A pathway to citizenship allows blank. Yeah. That's cute. This would work on three, right? Especially my two sections over here where you're reading, make sure that if you're done reading, work together to find the answers. Talk to each other. Especially on this one, when some of the questions are going to be right out in front of you, and then some of the answers are not going to. You're going to have to stop and think and talk. Yeah. Yeah. So knowing that, what does that tell you about the comment? Democrats are trying to make it easier. Make that happen. less clearly defined. Disagreement?
So where did it talk first? Where did it talk about?
In December, agreed something.